Good morning, my Fatal Beautiquettes, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my Fatal Beauty channel, welcome. Please make sure to like and subscribe. Hit that red button. And don't forget to hit that bell too, because you always will be notified of any of my new and upcoming posts. This morning I'm going to do a quick eyebrow tutorial. And I have a crazy surprise for you guys. Yes, I'm going to reveal it in just a few moments. But first, before we go into this quick eyebrow tutorial, yes, I said quick because I'm that good. I don't need 20 years to do my eyebrows. A little pet peeve. And once it's out of the way, then we can have a wonderful morning. It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. A beautiful day in the neighborhood. Would you be mine? Could you be mine? Won't you be my neighbor? I used to love that show growing up. Now, I noticed that someone took quite a few techniques from my makeup tutorial, and I am flattered. Totally flattered. However, this particular person didn't mention that technique was from my video. Now, granted, I'm not a professional makeup artist, but I did do a really good job with my little eyebrows tutorial. It wasn't an eyebrow tutorial, it was a makeup tutorial, and within that tutorial I taught how to do eyebrows the way I do them. Whether or not it's the correct way, the way in cosmetology school, if that's how they show you, I don't know, I don't care. That's how I do it. This person, and I'm flattered again, I'm flattered because I do my tutorials and videos to help people, to share. I don't have a problem sharing. But would you mention me and say I got this from Fatal Beauty's makeup tutorial? It worked for me, it didn't work for me. Would it kill you to comment or like or even subscribe to my channel? My pet peeve for the day is selfish, big YouTube creators who step on the little ones like me. I have a small channel. I only have 3,000 viewers so far. Okay, I've been on YouTube since, 2011, maybe sooner. I did a lot of coming back, leaving, and so forth, okay? Life happens. I've been ill, I've had cancer. I'm a survivor, thank the Lord and the universe. And listen, and my surgeon. But when I clearly learn something from another YouTuber, I give them props. I give them respect. I acknowledge them by saying, hey, I got this from so-and-so and it really worked for me. I loved it. Or I got this from so-and-so. It's a good technique, but it didn't work for me. In a positive way. You don't have to put people down if you don't like their technique. But you know what? You use my technique, you use it in your tutorial, in your vlog, but you failed to give me credit. And that's my pet peeve. I don't like that. That's shady. You know, and shady people don't last very long. So what are you worried about? Are you worried that you're going to lose followers? You're going to lose subscribers because you give me credit for clearly my idea, my technique? It's my technique, okay? I didn't take it from anyone. I improvise when I do my makeup, and that's one of my techniques that I developed because I'm an artist. I draw, and when I measure, if I'm drawing someone, if I'm making a portrait, I always do the measuring between the eyes, between the nose and the mouth, between the eyes and the ear. That's how artists draw, okay? That's how I learned. I studied in school. I went to school for art and fashion design, all right? So I used to design, draw models with outfits, and and I've also done expressionism, abstract, and realism portraits. So that is my technique through my artist side, and I utilized it, and transcended it into the makeup tutorial. It's my idea, it's my technique. From what I've seen, I'm the only one who really used it in my makeup tutorial on YouTube. But this person found the need to use my technique and not give me credit for it. That's not cool. So, help the small guys out. I am a small channel. You're a big channel. You're like drowning in subscribers. Good for you. You earned it. I'm happy for you. But don't step on the little people. Okay? Don't do that. That's not right. That's not cool. Don't think because I'm a little channel that you can take ideas from my tutorials or my vlogs. I do all different types of vlogs. I'm a musician foremost, but I like to dabble and I like to participate in different things. I'm good at makeup. I'm good at cooking, so I do mukbangs and sometimes I do makeup tutorials. It makes sense, right? Makes my channel a little bit more colorful and more interesting other than just music. So moving on. That's my pet peeve for the day. Okay? Just be nice to one another. Be supportive. If I support you on your channel, is it going to kill you to support me on mine? To like, subscribe, and comment at least if you're using my techniques? I mean, would it kill you to just mention me in your video? Briefly say, hey, I got this from so-and-so's channel, from Fatal Beauty channel. She's a musician, but sometimes she does makeup tutorials, and I liked her eyebrow technique, how she does the measuring and so forth. Don't be shady. Okay? I'm not saying this person is acting or taking credit for my idea, because this person did not do that. But it's clear that they took the idea from my video that I posted weeks ago, and this video that they did was posted like a day or two ago. And I follow them. I'm subscribed to them. So you do the math. You figure it out. Shady. Don't be shady. Be supportive to other YouTubers, because we're working just as hard as you are. Small YouTube channels work very hard to get up there. And you weren't always big. It took you from down here to get up there. So, cut the little ones some slack. And, give us credit where credit is due. Now that I'm done with that, dun dun dun, the reveal. I did it, guys. I shaved my brows. I'm so excited because I don't have to worry about any out of control hairs. I don't like using wax on them. I think it's gross and sticky, and it's just much cleaner. Now, using the same technique, measuring in between the eyes. You never want to start your eyebrow from midway. I've seen a lot of ladies or gentlemen do that. You don't want to start them too close to the bridge of your nose. This is your bridge. This is your imaginary bridge right here. Your London Bridge, I call it. London Bridge is falling down, falling down. Okay? So this is what I'm going to do. This is my imaginary center. This is where my eyebrow is going to start. See my eye, inner corner eye? My eyebrow starting right there. And I'm just going to gently draw. Follow the arch to the feathering motion. Okay, don't worry about that little dot I made, because you could blend that in when you're done. That's just to follow it. And then yes, this is another technique, because now I have no hair to follow. So that's one brow. Okay. And we can clean up that little dot on top. Bam! That's one brow. You can do your arch high like mine. You can do your arch lower. I like my arch high. Now, we're going to follow that corner of your eye. Bam! You can draw the line. I like to feather it. Okay. And if you see it's not even, you just clean it up. That's what's awesome about not having hair, because you don't have the hair in the way. See? And take your time. You don't have to be as quick as me. I've done this for years, so I've had practice. Okay? And just keep going back in and working on it. You want it to look natural. Let's see, it's even. This one looks a little lower. Easy fix. Okay. You just kind of work with it. Start light. If you don't like the arch that high, go on top and just make a straight line across it and work with it again. Go underneath the arch. You go underneath the arch and then you work it. And I'm a perfectionist, so I just keep playing with it because I have the extra time. Actually, I am running a little behind, but it's okay. I do my own hours anyway. So if I make it there by 10, I'll be fine. Now, see how this one goes out more than this one? Just come here. And feather a little more in the corner. Because remember, we're going to blend. I didn't go too dark because I wanted to be able... You see how I'm resting my palm on my chin? That's because it's me. It's my face. But if it was someone else, you don't want to do that. You get in trouble. They teach you in cosmetology school not to touch their face. You have to be licensed. The less hand on their face, the better. So pinkies are okay. If you're doing someone else's face, use the pinky. That's okay. It's less aggressive. If you put your entire hand on their face, they can be like, "What are you doing? You're mushing me? What are you doing?" You know, it's not comfortable. I wouldn't want anyone putting their hand on my face. I don't even like pinkies. That's why I do my own makeup. I don't like people touching my face. So anyway. So you keep working till you get that look you're looking for. Now, the end of your eyebrow, you want it to go to the end of your eye. Is it long enough? No. So we're gonna feather it down more. There. Where's my eye? corner of my eyes right there. And again, don't do it so dark. You don't want to look like a child with your eyebrows. Always start light because you can get darker. If you start dark, it's going to get hard to get lighter. Trust me. You're going to have to take it all off and start over. What do you think, guys? I think it looks really nice. It looks natural. It doesn't look crazy. Now, to blend, you can use a brush. Or if you're in a bind and you don't have a brush with you, you can use the end of your pencil, which I like to use if I'm in a rush. And just gently blend the corners. Alright? Not too hard, because you don't want to get rid of what you just did. Just a nice blend. See? And just clean it up if you smear it too much. Alright? And there you have it. My eyebrow tutorial. Using my technique. Measuring. Okay? You control how you want the arch. This is my natural arch. You'll be able to tell if you went outside the line because it'll look off. And look, you can measure. You can measure from arc to arc. It's even. You see how it's even from arc to arc? My eyebrows have always went up that way. Can I exaggerate it? Yes, you can. But you don't want to. You don't want to look crazy like you're like this all the time. This is my natural shape. Sometimes I like them thin. Sometimes I like them thicker. This is a good look for today. I'm just going to go work at the office. So if you want it darker, you just go over it again and just go a little darker. Don't press too hard and make it look like Crayola. Just gently dab or feather. Alright? And that'll take care of that. That'll give you that natural look, okay? If you're not happy with it, if it's too light, you just darken it a little. Feather it gently. Less is more, ladies or gentlemen. Less is more. This has been my quick eyebrow tutorial without hair. I'm so happy I shaved them. Of course, my makeup iconic awesomeness artist Jeffree Star inspired me to do it. Hey Jeffree Star, shout out to you. I shaved my eyebrows because you look awesome, and I'm way happier now. My face looks smoother and my brows look way better now that I shaved it. I'm so happy with it. And thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, comment please if this technique helped you. If it didn't, please be kind and cordial to one another. Don't troll. And, you know, for Pete's sake, if you're gonna get someone's idea, you know, can you give them a mention in your vlog? Let's all support one another. Let's be loving and caring to one another. And have a wonderful, beautiful, blessed day. And I will see you guys in my next vlog. Peace out. Bye for now.